This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chavali Chi Amti. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of black-eyed peas, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, and a few basic spices. Begin by soaking your black-eyed peas for at least 3 hours, or ideally overnight. This helps them cook evenly. After soaking, pressure cook the peas for 1 to 2 whistles until they are tender but still hold their shape. Next, let's build the flavor base. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan, then add half a teaspoon each of mustard and cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until it turns translucent and golden brown. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 chopped tomatoes, cooking until they soften. Finally, mix in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now, combine everything for simmering. Add your cooked black-eyed peas to the spiced base, along with about 1 cup of water. Stir in 2 teaspoons of roasted peanut powder, a small amount of tamarind pulp, and a pinch of jaggery for a balanced sweet and sour taste. Season with salt to your preference and adjust the consistency by adding more water if desired. Let the amti simmer gently for 5 to 8 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. To finish, garnish your freshly made Chavali Chi Amti with a generous sprinkle of chopped fresh coriander leaves. This vibrant curry pairs wonderfully with steaming hot white rice or traditional Indian flatbreads like chapati or roti. For an even richer dish, you can add a boiled and cubed potato during the simmering stage. And speaking of making life easier, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.